are provided with the function f of x, and we're asked to identify the inverse of it. Remember, when we find the inverse of a function, we're going to switch the x and y. So I'm going to make f of x switch to an x, and I'm going to change x to a y. Into a definite y there. Now we need to isolate the y. So the first thing we're going to do is think about PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And we're going to reverse that. So I always start by asking on the side that has the y, the side that has the variable I'm trying to isolate, can I add or subtract? And I can subtract 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 to both sides to have x minus 3 equals 4 times 2 raised to the y minus 1. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So x minus 3 divided by 4 equals 2 raised to the y minus 1. Now the whole purpose of us learning about logs is so that we can solve when we have a variable in an exponent position. So I'm going to take the log base 2 on both the left and on the right hand side, and I'm going to put everything else down that was previously there. Now on the right hand side, log base 2 of 2 is 1, so I have 1 times the quantity y minus 1. Well, 1 times that doesn't change anything. I have y minus 1. On the left hand side, I have log base 2 of x minus 3 over 4. Now I'm going to add 1 to the opposite side. I'm just going to be lazy, add 1. This is in condensed form. When I expand it, I have log base 2 of the numerator. Division turns to subtraction, and then I have log base 2 of the denominator. And there's remaining plus 1 by itself. Okay, so this portion right here can be simplified. 2 raised to what value equals 4? 2 raised to the second power. So this is equivalent to 2. 2 plus 1 log base 2 of x minus 3. And this was a subtraction sign in front of it. Now I can combine a negative 2 and a positive 1. Let me continue to push. So I can combine a negative 2 and a positive 1, and I have a log base 2. The x minus 3 is one quantity. That's why we still see it in parentheses. And when I combine these two like terms, I have a minus 1. Now this comes as being the inverse of function f of x, and we denote that with this negative 1. Let's check our options. And it would be option A.